Arjun, I know that you cater to a whole lot of clients and
Right.
crucial clients. Okay. So, in this time of COVID, how are you possibly, making it as an organization? How are you helping your customers in terms of tiding through the situation?
Okay. Brilliant question. We are using, again, three ways we are doing it. So
Mm-hmm.
the first way we are doing it is our core job as an investment management firm is to make sure that our clients' wealth is being preserved
Mm-hmm.
and we are growing it at the same time, right?
Okay.
And the clients do not care whether it is COVID
Mm-hmm.
or is there a war situation or is an economical stress or
Mm-hmm.
financial stress.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, they do not care. They've come to you because they want their money to be managed well.
Secure.
Otherwise, they could have done it themselves,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that is our first job. So that we are doing, right? Preserving their wealth during these downtimes. And how we are doing it is we planned for this again multiple years back. We are prepared for situations like this many years before the event happens, because after the event happens, then things are not in your control.
Yes, that's true.
Then you will lose money,
Mm-hmm.
right? You have to do these things before. So that is one way we are helping our clients by preserving their wealth, which is our core job as well,
Mm-hmm.
right? Secondly is we are over communicating with them.
Mm-hmm.
So, so obviously we answer questions when some clients call in and
Yeah,
say
and it must be quite a
they
panic
get
situation for
and they
everybody.
get hassled, right? Because they are watching news and they are
Mm.
reading Economic Times and they see, and then these are amazing WhatsApp forwards which
Doing the rounds all the
people
time.
with no experience are forwarding without understanding finances, but it freaks them out.
Mm.
And so you have to calm the nerves, because Sheetal, what I've found in investments is that majority, in fact, research has also shown that 96% of the retail investors don't make money from the investments, even though investments make good returns. The reason is
Mm.
their behavior. The
Mm-hmm.
behavior is they get in at the wrong time, get out at the wrong time. They follow the herd mentality,
Mm.
what
Mm.
everybody is doing, who are equally clueless, right? So they follow the herd, and that is why they lose the money. So, and in these times, if you're communicating and you're
Mm-hmm.
explaining to them logically why what you're suggesting should be done,
Mm-hmm.
then they are calm. There's an assurance. They need that
Yes,
assurance,
yes.
right?
Very
So
true. Mm.
you have to over communicate
Mm.
in these days. That's what we are doing, so that they're calm. And then the third thing,
Mm-hmm.
which ties to a first principle again, is flexibility to clients. Now, a lot of our clients are doctors and dentists.
Mm-hmm.
Now, we all know what happened to them in the
Yes.
initial stages.
Mm. Mm.
Their income stream immediately stopped, like the
Of
meter
course.
stopped,
Yeah.
right?
Mm.
Now, these customers or clients had these monthly investments going with our firm,
Mm-hmm.
right? And in some cases, over a lakh
Mm. Mm.
per month,
Mm-hmm.
which is a decent sum in during these times, right?
Mm. Mm.
So we've helped them pause and stop
Mm-hmm.
those SIPs. We didn't give logic that no, even though we told them that this is the implication that if you do
Mm.
not stop now, this is the best time to be investing. But we understand that the cash flow is an issue. So till the things become
A
smoothen
little more
out a bit
stable.
and you are
Yeah.
again comfortable with the cash flow situation, you
Mm.
should start again. But and that also we are doing digitally.
Okay.
So
Mm.
otherwise, it wouldn't have been done if we
Mm.
were
Mm.
tried to do it on a paper route, because nobody
Very
was
true.
allowed to step
Yeah.
out. Or
Correct.
so we did the digital thing, so we could do
Mm.
that. So those
Mm.
are the three ways which we are helping our clients. So first is giving them peace of mind by preserving and growing their wealth.
Mm.
Second is over communicating, so calming the nerves so that they don't take a rash decision by following the herd. And
Right.
third,
Right.
giving them the flexibility with their cash flows after explaining them what the investment
The
thesis is.
implications. Yeah, got that. Great. I think this has been quite an interesting conversation, and especially as a business owner myself, I could quite relate to it. I'm sure people might have questions, or there could be people who might want to reach out to you. I'll definitely make sure that your contact details are there in the show notes for it to for it to become more accessible to the audience who's watching this show right now.
Absolutely, and thank you for inviting me over to for this conversation. I really enjoy these conversations, and I hope, sincerely hope that your audience takes away something and they can implement some of the ideas that we discussed. Thank you so much, Sheetal.
Thank you. Thank you
Have a
so
good
much.
day
You
and stay
too.
safe.
Bye
Bye.
bye.